So here's the bottom line. It's now 7:30 p.m. and I just want to make sure this process began at 11:30 this morning. So think about from 11:30 this morning to 1:30 in the afternoon, maybe about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, to prepare the Milanese, that is no meat, the Bolognese, which is meat, and the Vodka, right? And at this point it's 7:30. What I'm going to be doing is turning off each one of these, because at this point they're now going to be steeping for about a half hour. And for this half hour, we're just going to simply allow the heat to just simply ascend, I guess the word is, to make sure that they're actually the way they should be. I'll cool them off. I will eventually put them into these jars, and then in a 1-quart jar for each one of these, I'll just simply make sure that they are totally cooled before we actually freeze them, okay? So that's the process. The only reason I went through this with you in a video format is that when you see a picture of all these things, it's obviously not going to convey what it is that I want to make sure that you understand about the recipe. When it comes to Italian, Italian is slow. It's slow cooking and it's slow, okay? That's it.